Welcome to the world of ethical hacking in 2024. In this video, we're diving deep into the realm of cybersecurity, exploring the skills you need and how you can transform your passion for technology into a lucrative career. Ethical hacking is all about testing and securing systems to prevent real hackers from stealing valuable information. Why is ethical hacking so crucial? Data breaches are rampant, affecting everyone from social media giants like Facebook and Twitter to large corporations like Domino's. Hackers are constantly on the prowl, stealing millions of usernames, passwords, credit card details, and more. Ethical hackers are the frontline defenders against these cyber threats. Hackers employ various methods to infiltrate systems. One common technique is social engineering, akin to receiving a fake lottery email asking for your bank details. Once you share that information, your system is compromised. Another method is man-in-the-middle attacks, where hackers intercept your data on public Wi-Fi if you're not on a secure website. These tactics highlight the need for robust cybersecurity measures. To safeguard your online presence, always use HTTPS websites and consider employing a VPN, a virtual private network. This simple tool encrypts your data, making it significantly harder for hackers to access your information. Staying informed and cautious online is your first line of defense against cyber threats. In the hacking world, there are different types of hackers. Black hat hackers break the law, exploiting vulnerabilities for malicious purposes. White hat hackers, on the other hand, are the ethical heroes, using their skills to protect and secure systems. Gray hat hackers fall somewhere in between, sometimes crossing ethical lines but without malicious intent. How do you become an ethical hacker? It begins with understanding computer networks, operating systems, and programming languages. Hands-on experience is crucial, so start building your own projects, like creating security tools to defend systems from attacks. This practical knowledge is invaluable in the cybersecurity field. We've included links in the description for resources that will guide you through learning ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Whether you're coding in Python or mastering Kali Linux, there's a path for everyone. These resources are designed to equip you with the skills needed to excel in this dynamic field. When it comes to job opportunities, companies are actively hiring cybersecurity engineers, security analysts, and ethical hackers. Start by applying for internships in big firms like Reliance or even in cybersecurity cells. Your starting salary could range from 2.5 to 8 lakhs per year, but with experience, this can grow to over 40 lakhs per year. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget about major companies like Microsoft, Facebook, and Apple, which run bug bounty programs. These initiatives offer rewards, sometimes up to 30 lakh rupees, for finding vulnerabilities in their systems. It's a fantastic way to hone your skills and earn substantial rewards for your expertise. Are you ready to embark on your journey as an ethical hacker? If you have any questions or want us to cover more topics, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech career tips. Your future in cybersecurity awaits, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. See you in the next video.